Hey guys, I welcome you all to yet another episode of weekly video series from K21 Academy, where we take you in a journey from complete beginner to a certified professional. In this video, we will see how to host a website on Google Cloud Platform. Firstly, we will get introduced to Google Cloud Platform. After that, we will be hosting a static website using Compute Engine. In the end, we will also share details about our free masterclass, which will not only help you to learn basics, but it will also give you an idea of the learning part to follow. It will be helpful, especially when you're preparing for Google Cloud certifications. Now let's begin this session by introducing Google Cloud Platform. Back 2008, Google took initiatives to offer cloud computing services to businesses around the world. In current time, Google Cloud Platform is one of the leading cloud providers. Although Google Clouds being the newest member in Cloud family, it offers 100 plus high performance and low latency service that are very cost effective across the globe. It has almost 27 regions with 82 total zones available in 200 plus countries and territories. That is why some of the big name companies like Twitter, PayPal, Spotify, and Toyota are using Google Cloud services to run their business more efficiently and effectively. And the best part with GCP is it uses the same infrastructure in their cloud services which they use in their products like Gmail or YouTube. It means that whatever things are being used in backend of Gmail, same thing will be used for customers' application. Also, if they deploy their application using Google Cloud Service. Sounds great, right? I'm really excited to perform a demo on how to host a website on Google Cloud Platform. So let's get started. In Google Cloud Platform, you can host a website in Google Compute Engine, Google Cloud Storage, as well as Google App Engine. So in this video, we will be hosting a website using Google Compute Engine. Let me tell you, compute engines are virtual machines on Google Cloud Platform. These are computers that can provision or configure your likings. And the best thing with compute engine, you only get billed for what you use. In the first step, let me quickly go to cloud.google.com. If you don't have a GCP account, you can follow a step-by-step process how to register for a free account. You can visit k21academy.com/gcp01. After registering yourself, you just have to click on console. It will redirect you to Google Cloud Platform dashboard. So in the second step, you have to create a new project. Just click on new project right here. Give it a name. Let me give it a web host K21. Now click on create. After that, in the third step, just click on navigation menu and select compute engine. It will show you all the instances you already created. You just have to create a new instance by clicking right here. Now give it a name. Let me quickly add a name, K21 web host. After feeding the name, select the region and zones, and also select the machine configuration like machine family, series, machine type according to the amount of load your website receives. Now, after selecting the machine configuration, you have to select a boot disk for your instances. Okay, let me quickly make operating system as Ubuntu. So let me select it right here. After selecting boot disk, you have to enable the firewall for HTTP and HTTPS because by default, all incoming traffic from outside a network is blocked. For that, we need to enable HTTP and HTTPS traffic to access the website. After that, click on create. It will take some time. As you can see, K21 web host instance has been created successfully. In the next step, we have to perform some operation in the operating system we created. For that, click on SSH. It will quickly open a command prompt. Now we are on our operating system. So you have to type some commands. Firstly, you have to write sudo space su It is for entering into root user. After that, hit enter. Now write apt space get space install space Apache 2. This Apache 2 is most commonly used web server. This will help us to host the website on Google Compute Engine. Now the process is going on. Okay, it's successfully installed now. After installing Apache 2 web server, you can check the status of the web servers by giving the command as service space Apache 2 space status. Yeah, status. Now, as you can see, it's active and running. Now you have to check the web server status by accessing the external IP address in the web browser and paste it to your browser. Now, as you can see, this is the default page of Apache 2 Ubuntu. In the next step, to add it or replace this HTML page, you have to enter the command as vi space forward slash and the location of that particular file, which is vr forward slash www forward slash html forward slash index.html. After that, hit enter. Now you will get editing page. In the editing page, delete all the content and add your website HTML code. To insert or delete something from this file, you have to press a key. So for now, I'm pressing A. Now, as you can see, insert command has been activated. Now let me quickly make some changes in this file. Okay, right here. I'm adding a text of my own. Let me add it right here. K21 Academy, learn cloud from experts. Now to save this file, you can press escape, then shift, then colon, and write this command. Great. Now refresh the page and you will see the differences. This is the very simple modification I made on the default page. For more complex websites, you can use PHP, MySQL for data storing in the database. I would like to invite you for a 90-minute free class with our certified expert trainer, which will not only help you to learn basics, but it will also give you an idea of the learning part to follow. This interactive session will help you to gaining an understanding of what is cloud and why you must learn why Google Cloud. You will get familiar with core services like compute, identity and access management, storage, networking, demo on deploying Google Kubernetes Engine, and more other topics. If you are interested, you can register by going on to the link k21academy.com/GCP Pro 02. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. I will see you in another episode from K21 Academy. Till then, take care.